get this off there. Then leave these ones to grow. There's 1, 2, and some on the other side. So I've got 2 big ones. Another massive one found in right deep in the bucket. Look at that. All those are grown in this small bucket. More tomatoes harvested here, but that one still got its on the bottom there. And just get it off. Wow, look at that. Look at this. Got another red one, but I think it's part of this other one which is growing here. So we leave that. And there's another one here. Massive one. Wow, look at that. Look at that, guys. And could be some more on this side if I'm not mistaken. Right, so we've got this. We've got more bins here. Might as well get these ones off as well and dry them. More still coming up. I hope we get them before the end of season so that they don't get spoiled. There you go. Right, that's it. No, got some here. There's some underneath here. This time we feel lucky they've not been invaded by other creatures down below. This one got spoiled. Maybe that. Yeah, I think that's about it. There's one here. That's about it, guys. So the beans. Harvesting the last beans on here, and then call it let's get this one before they crack out. There's a ladybird there. Where is it? Where is this ladybird? There it is. Ladybird. And there's another one there. Tiny one. So, we get those harvested ones. This off. There's one more there. There's one here. And another one there. We've got loads on here. Wow. Look at this, man. Look at that. All harvested from the back garden. Nice fresh beans. Still got some more in here. Yeah, I might put that back so you never know. Might find that they're still coming up more. So those are the tomatoes coming up. Hopefully we get them ready. I ate some, about 2 or 3, which were red. That's what's happening in the back garden.